Welcome back, all programmers. Well, in this hand-on experiment number 5, we are going to uh, we will go for a very basic Python program, and that program is write a Python program to input length and breadth of a rectangle and print its area and perimeter. Right. So let us start this. As it is suggesting here that input length and breadth, this means that length and breadth you need to input during runtime of your program. So I am going to take a variable here for length. Let's suppose I am not taking x y z, I am taking L, so that we know that L for length here. Okay, so L is equal to, I am writing again, you see I can have a typecasting. I am writing here integer typecasting. Okay, so I want that length and breadth should go in integer. Okay, you can decide, you can go in float also, no problem is there. Have a float typecasting. So with input command, I am going to write a prompt here: enter length of rectangle, is it? So let have this minus and arrow mark. I had given you that trick, so it's you can increase the look and feel of your prompt. So I'm writing B for breadth. Breadth is equal to, again I'm going to have a typecasting, and then I'm going to write here input. Okay, then I am going to write here enter breadth of a rectangle. Okay, input breadth of rectangle, right? So we took two input, L for length and B for breadth. Now area perimeter can be easily calculated. You know what is the area perimeter, length into breadth. So I'm going to write in A equal to, A means area, length into breadth. So length asterisk, I'm going to write here length asterisk breadth. Okay, and then perimeter I'm going to write from P. What is that expression? Perimeter is equal to 2 into, again I'm going to write here length plus breadth, you see. Right. So I'm going to make we have done here two very simple arithmetic expression, that is with multiplication, area equal to length into breadth and perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, so now right, what we need to print, so I'm printing here, you see print, and again I'm going to write here with a message here, the area of a rectangle of customize output. Okay, area of a rectangle. Okay, see here, area of a rectangle, the area of a rectangle of, I'm going to write here of length, and then you see, then I put a comma here, and I'll go little bit length um, uh, comma, and then I'm going to put here L, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, like that length. Okay, then I am going for length, then and breadth. Then again I'm going to put a comma here, comma, and I'm going to put here B. Okay, breadth is coming, sorry, breadth is coming from B. Then I'm going to write here is, and it is coming from A. You see, it is going to print whole statement that the area of a rectangle of length L and breadth B is this A, right? Then same thing I am going to write for perimeter. I am going to this make here, I am going to write here the perimeter. Okay, the perimeter, I am writing here the perimeter of a rectangle of length L and breadth B is coming from this perimeter P. So that you can write simply print A and print P, no problem is here, but since you know how to customize your output, so that can go well better, is it? So let's run this program. I am going the run command, then run the module, and then it is asking me to save. Okay, so it is already being saved with the name, so it's same. So you see enter length of a rectangle, is it right? So I'm going to enter length is, let's suppose 25, and then I am going for the breadth is, let's suppose 20. Okay, length and breadth I given, measurement is in centimeter, meter, that is not given here, so you understood, it can be any. So I'm going to press enter. You see the area of rectangle of length 25 and breadth 20 is 500, and the perimeter of rectangle, you see here, length 25 and breadth 20 is 90. Now centimeter, meter can go accordingly, no problem is there in that. Okay, so this is a very small program, and it can print length and breadth of a rectangle, right? Okay, so try it. All right. Okay, so learn it now or fail later. Okay, see you next.